How to add variants on Shopify. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add variants on Shopify so your products can offer options like size, color, or material. Make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, go to the Shopify website. Click on Login at the top right. Choose Continue with Google to log in easily. Select your Google account and access your Shopify dashboard. Once you're inside, look to the left sidebar and click on Products. Now, choose the product you want to add variants to. If you have many items, use the search bar to find it quickly. Click on the product name to open its details page. Scroll down and find the Add options like size or color length. Click it to open the variant section. Now enter a variant name like size and add values such as small, medium, and large. To add more customization, click Add another option and type a second variant like color, then list your color choices. After filling out all options, click Done. Finally, scroll up and hit the Save button to apply the changes. That's all for the video.